Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you on how to change the products in WooCommerce. And basically, just to know, you cannot change your product's ID, and also it doesn't not make sense to change the product's ID in WooCommerce. Basically, the products would have this field, and basically the ID is the thing that the database is referencing to this product. And basically, if you are changing this ID, it may occur some errors with many other tables that WooCommerce and WordPress are using to reference to this ID. So let's suppose that this ID has some connection with some other plugins or with some other features. And these features know these exact products by the ID. And basically, you cannot change the ID that is assigned to this product. But you might want to change the SKU number, which is the tracking number, or for the inventory, uh, it's like a specific number for your products. And from here, it refers to the stock keeping units. And you can give it an identifier to your product. And basically, you can start changing this one. But changing the ID is kinda impossible or not advisable, but you might find some ways to change it in the database, but it's not advisable since it will give you or it will create many other errors and bugs in your store. So basically, to change any other field in your products, you will need simply to go and click on the edit, and basically from here you can start editing any type or any uh, field for your product. Basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.